Good evening, Navatej. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Good evening.
Yogesh here from College Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. So introduce yourself.
Myself, Navatej Eliza. I'm from Telangana, from Nagar. I studied in Acharya University from Bangalore in 2023.
Okay.
Later, I came to know about the CMTI through Instagram, Google Reels. Later, I joined in the joined institute. From there on, I started my journey in construction field, like
Okay.
all the learning things.
Once again, Navatej, like which course you joined here?
CACM and BIM.
CACM. Good. Yeah. Tell me, Navatej, what are the things you learned? I feel like you are a high student, right?
Yes, sir.
So tell me about the sessions. Which are the things you have attended?
I learned about the construction sequence of the construction and how the materials we have used in the construction, and how the ratio of the cement ratio and the concrete ratio, like power winning sessions, like how much sand and the aggregate for the ratio of the cement we should mix and we should apply in the construction site, and what is the procedure we should follow in the construction sites, like this. And later, after completion of the construction, for the finishing structures like elevations, like that, we have used the software texts like CAD, SketchUp, SketchUp with.
So tell me about the software. Which are the softwares you learned?
I learned about the CAD, SketchUp, Revit.
Okay.
Interior sessions in the interior design. As interior design, I learned lot more about the products and the material quality, how the material quality will be used in the construction site, in the sites of interior designing, and how we can move on with customers with which, if we have one product and the customer needs the other one, and we can customize the other product also with the customers, so that manage the relationship with customer and us in a construction site. We learn a lot about these compromisation sessions and the what material quality sessions.
Okay, good. Yeah. And tell me, what was the site visit? Where and all you went?
Yeah, we have went in the construction sites also, sir, and the interior sections also. In interior section, we came to learn about the how the finishing and the how the assemble sessions and how the manufacture units are the works in the construction factories. In factories, how the plywood will be manufactured, how the edge bendings will be manufactured, how the hinges will be placed in the construction sites, and how the technicians like carpenters will work, and how we can manage the carpenters. Like all the interior sections will be managed by the managers in the site visits, and when we come across the construction sites, site visits, we came to know that about how the bar bendings should be done, and how the material quality should be added to the concrete sites, and how the we should maintain the quality of the products, and how we can start the construction from excavation to the last finishing stage of the constructions.
Okay, good. Yeah. Okay. During your internship with CMTI, was the support from the trainers?
Yeah, trainers are very good, sir. Especially for the Yogi sir and the Natarajan sir, and Deepa ma'am and the mentors are here. Are well encouraged me and done a good job on their roles, and they are very supportive to the placement sessions also, and they are very much encouraged in the site also.
So tell me about the coordinators and good support.
Coordinators are very well good, sir. Sheila ma'am, Vidya ma'am, Meenu ma'am, and Meenakshi, Teju, and Yashoda, Mingamma, especially for installation all the softwares. And Ashok sir also very much implemented his time in making us to uh, gain the knowledge in the sessions.
Okay, good. Yeah. So now coming to the placement. So tell me, how was the support from HR team? How did they help you?
You they helped me very lot well, sir. When I'm preparing myself, they are involved, and they made me to this like this you have to prepare for the interview, and this is how you should prepare for prepare your CV, and this is how you have to answer the questions, and this is how you have to present the modules, and likewise this is how you should make the measurements, likewise from first stage to the final stage they have made me and guided me to make this placement, sir.
Okay, good. So they have taken the offline test, online test, mock test.
Yes, sir.
Mock interview setup they have taken, right? During the training. We have given the support guidance, but what about yourself? Like how you have prepared yourself before attending the interview?
I'm prepared very well. So through the institute only, I got the information more about the constructions. And, I prepared myself, and through the institute, I got the more knowledge. By myself, I learned about to 30 to 40%. With the institute, I came across 90 to 100%, like
Right.
this.
Okay. So how many interviews you have attended?
So two, sir.
Sorry, two. Okay. So can you tell me in detail about how the interview went? What are the stages for that?
Yeah, in the offline interview, they inquired about me and just started with said, tell me your self introduction. Later, I done my introduction. Later, they are questioning like, how do you know about this? How do you know about this job opportunity? How do you know about this vacancy? So I mentioned this institute, and they go on asking questions like how do you convert the session, convert the units from CM to MM, and immediately we like this. Later they gave me a tape, and they showed the location, kitchen setup. Kitchen setup. They just showed me and told to measure all the measurements and make a drawing in paper and do a SketchUp work and AutoCAD work. So I did all the work through the help of the Instagram. By all the things are done. My which has learned in CMTI. Through the CMTI, came to learn about the fields and how to measure and how we can come across this designing path like this. Later they came for the package session and all the remaining project manager also interacted with me. The second round and the third round. Uh,
Hmm.
I passed all the rounds.
So finally, you got selection. You got selected also.
Yes.
Can you give some two, three tips to the juniors for attending the interview next week?
Judges need to focus on the paths and they need to understand the phenomenon and the path, how the procedure is to be done and how the lecturers are going to instruct you and how we should mention and we should follow those procedures. And in mainly in Nagarjuna sir and other sir classes, we should take this tips and we should concentrate on the software skills and we go on practicing like this. And in construction side, like nitrogen said, barman sessions and the other lot more things from the putting to the from the slab and finishing session from 0 to the 110% of progress he can give us. We should mainly concentrate on these procedures only, and we should maintain the notes. And we should do the regular we can do on practicing like this. So we can achieve our goals in placement in good health.
So finally, what you would like to say to your juniors and the students who would like to join CMA?
You can get a friendly environment, and you can go on site visits, and you can get more knowledge. Especially, we should not concentrate on the placement, but we should gain the more knowledge from the institutions, and that's the thing. And later, when you gain the knowledge, you can get the opportunities as you like. Institute also more helpful for the placement, and they can provide you 100% placements.
Thank you, Eliza. Thank you for your valuable time and valuable feedback also. Good luck for your future.